I probably spend my most time in the library just because with nursing, there's no shortage of homework that I do. So I probably spend most of my time on the top floor of the library, which is a quiet floor, so I can knock out lots of homework. And it's just really great. The staff is there to help you if you have any questions, if you need help finding books, resources. It's just awesome.
I would say, now this is like just the answer that probably a lot of people get, but the library actually is an amazing commodity on campus. They have their online databases that they offer, also the archives at Forsyth. We have amazing staff over there that if you walk over there and they're like, hey, I need help on this research paper, like, can you help me find something? And they're immediately on it, like even the student staff, they definitely know what they're doing.
I probably spent most of my time, here at Albertson Hall for my classes, but also the library. Did a lot of studying and working on assignments in there.
Our most used tool is probably our Forsyth Library database. We use that daily for our different classes and assignments, and it really just gives you access to so many different resources that you may not have had access to otherwise.
I love the educational events held at the library, such as the Times Talks. I'm really excited for future students to get to appreciate the renovation that's currently undergoing.
I think I probably spend the most time at Forsyth Library. Also, I have a student worker job there, but I do like to study there just because it's quiet. It's just a bit more calm.
I will say the library. I think I could spend hours in there, probably doing nothing, maybe getting things done. But I just enjoy that's really calming and relaxing. So when I need that quiet time, I always go there.
The best thing would have been the Forsyth Library. Being able to search databases through the college, and then also you can rent out a computer or an iPad if you don't have the availability to one. My first year of college I didn't, so that was really, really convenient.